So today we are going to learn. We are going to start automation process. In this workflow rule is our first module. We'll discuss about workflow rule. Okay. So here agenda of automation. So coming to the automation, we have different types of automation tools in Salesforce. So why why we need automation? Why automation is so important in Salesforce? Or okay, yeah, hi Pranjali. Yeah, hi Pranjali. Just now we have started this session. So we are going to discuss about workflow rules in automation. So what are the ways to
Hello. Can
yeah
you repeat, sir? I was disconnected. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
yeah okay. So now we are going to discuss about automation process. In that,
Mm-hmm.
we learn why automation is so important and how we can use it, etc., etc. So first thing, what is mean by automation? Automation in the sense without doing your work by
Manually, yeah.
automatically it has to be work by meeting some criteria. Okay, so how we were
Yeah.
doing in sharing rule, so same kind of rules we can make it in automation, so that too in workflow rules. There are two famous ways to make automation in Salesforce, and for that we must know workflow rules and process builder. And now we have another module called as flows. Flows will be, that is a different topic, and it is very big topic compared with these two. If you know
Okay.
workflow rules and process builder, and then you'll be understand about flows easily. So not only
Okay.
process builder and flows, we'll be having another module called as approval process. Same, all these things will be coming in the automation process, but approval process not only automation, that will be like hierarchy management, that we'll discuss in after completion of workflow. Okay,
Okay.
so coming to workflow.
Mm-hmm.
Workflow rule is an automated mechanism in Salesforce by which, when a record is created or edited, we can perform four type of actions and make our business automated without writing any code. Got it? So, while coming to sharing rule, what we are doing, we are creating few criteria and we are just sharing one record. That's it. They can't do it anything with sharing rule. But coming to workflow rule, we can do four types of actions, and we can see what are those actions. Scope in real-time project. About workflow rule, we can automate business, we can make automatic data change, we can give automatic notifications, schedule some automatic tasks, and do integration without code. Okay, so in this, can you give me one example of workflow rule? I mean, as of now, automated tools. Do you have any knowledge about automated tools as of now, Pranjali?
Automated tools, not really.
Okay, so here I'll explain once again this. By when a record is created or edited, we can perform four type of actions and make our business automated without writing any code. For example, take Gmail account. So once you have created Gmail, first mail, what will be getting it, Pranjali?
Come again, sir.
No.
Sorry.
Okay. Do you have Gmail account?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So if you create a new email account on your name, Okay,
Mm-hmm.
once you create new account on your name, first mail from where you'll be getting it.
Gmail itself.
Okay, what kind of content it will be?
Like introduction,
Yes,
like your account.
welcome email you'll be getting it.
Yeah.
That will be one kind of automated email.
Yeah.
Okay, so and same way there is another example. Once you join any organization, once you join any organization, you'll be getting some mails from HR team, welcome on board, etc., etc. Got it?
Yes.
So all those
Yeah.
things will be we can do it by automated in Salesforce. That's what
Mm-hmm.
we said here. To automate business, to make automatic data change, to give public notifications, schedule some automatic task, do integration without code. So here, to give automatic notification, can you give me an example? Okay,
Or I mean notification, whatever. If like as you said, when you create any account, you get the welcome email,
yes, exactly. So
or
when
maybe
you
bank
join,
account. Yeah.
yeah, when you join any organization, you'll be providing all information to your HR team, right?
Yeah.
So in their portal, they store your data, and your joining date is so and so, and your birthday is so and so, and your wedding day is so and so, etc., etc. So they'll be
Yeah.
getting some notifications on this particular day. These many employees having birthday, or this many employees having wedding day, this many employees having anniversary, 1 year completed, etc., etc. Like that, they'll be getting it. So based on that, employees will be getting wishes mail from HR.
Yeah.
Got it? So all those things we can do it by workflow rule in Salesforce. Okay, not
Okay.
only that kind of works, we can do it different types of works that we can discuss now. What we can
Okay.
do with the workflow rule, WFR in the sense workflow rule. Okay,
Yeah.
what kind of actions we can perform using workflow rule? So we can create a task for someone. We can send automated email to somebody else, and update database means by updating any field, send outbound message to external platform. These four actions we can do it. And this is very important interview question. Whenever they're asking about the workflow rule, they'll ask you like this: what are the actions we can do it in Salesforce by workflow
Yes.
rule?
Okay.
So instead of telling all these things, you can tell like this: field update, email alert,
Field update.
task creation, OBM. That means outbound messages. Okay,
Okay.
both are same. Both are same. This is professional terminology, and for interview purpose, you can tell this. Both are same. See, email,
Okay.
automated email. Here you can tell like email alert, and task creation. You said task creation. Update database means by updating any field and create a task and send email update. Everything will comes here itself. And send outbound messages to external platform. We can call it as outbound messages. For everything, we'll be having examples, and for every action, we can do it by practicing Salesforce. Okay. So in
Okay.
this, what did you understand by field update, by email alert, by task creation, by outbound messages? Field update in the sense how it will be. Any idea?
Like create a task. Like you can give task to someone else.
Okay, that will be comes under task creation. Okay,
Okay.
I'm asking field update.
Field update. I don't know.
Okay, so let me explain here. So students, not teacher. Okay, not required. So in employees list, what are the fields you can see here? Employee name,
Employee name,
salary,
salary,
experience in
experience,
years, technology, email of employee, and employee ID,
employee.
eligible for promotion, country name, leaves, leave request, phone number. Okay.
Yeah.
So just think, one person has attended the interview, okay, in one organization, and he has completed the interview and he selected. Now
Mm-hmm.
concerned team has to update those that person record information in this file. Okay, here their criteria is how they'll select is employee name, need not to mention, salary we need not mention, and our criteria is if any candidate having 5 years experience with the Salesforce technology we can select. Got it? This is the criteria we are taking now. Okay, let me tell you.
Okay.
So for workflow rule, we are first criteria. I mean, for field update, we are taking this criteria. Criteria like experience 5 years and technology SFTC. If these two conditions are satisfied, then one field has to be updated like selected. Status should be selected. Got it?
Yeah.
So now this thing we are going to see how it will work in Salesforce. So here employee name, salary, status is not showing. So we'll do one thing. I'll create one field here. I'm creating field status like interview status. Click on next. Saved. So now I'm just giving refresh. So here interview status. Employee name was something Smith. Salary 200 lakh. Experience 6 years and technologies SFTC. Once it is greater than 5 years and technology matches with Salesforce, interview status has to be
Selected.
selected. Now I'm saving this. Okay. Interview status is showing empty because we haven't created any workflow. So to give this condition to match to complete this field update, we'll go with workflow. Okay. Now just go to setup and here just go to quick find bar and just type it workflow rules. Yes, just click on workflow rule. Once you click on here you'll be getting this page. So as of now no workflow rule is there in this application. So just click on new rule. So it is asking continue with workflow rules or create in a flow builder. So flow builder is a separate concept. We'll learn in that is a future topic. So first, just click on
Okay.
continue with workflow rules. Okay. So once it is done, what it is asking? Object.
Object.
So on which object we are working now? Employees
Uh,
list.
employee.
So just search here where it is employees list. And next, click on next. Once you click on here, it is asking rule name.
What is that?
A rule name in the sense, did you remember sharing rule? While we are creating sharing rule, we were giving one sharing rule name. How we
Yeah,
were
so the
giving,
same way.
yes, how we were giving a profile name, permission set name, like that. So here we
Okay.
can create, we can give one name for workflow rule. So field status, or else interview status, interview status workflow rule. Okay, and here evaluation criteria, we'll be having three types of evaluation criteria, and this is also one of the important questionnaire in interviews.
Okay.
Okay, in case if they'll ask you about evaluation criteria and workload, we can tell we have three options. One is created, and next is created and every time it's edited, and third one created and anytime it's edited to subsequently meet criteria. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we can discuss again, coming to criteria, we can discuss one on one after completion of this task. Okay. So
Okay.
currently we can go with created. Okay.
Okay.
Created means we can understand once a record is created, then this workflow should will be work, right?
Okay. Then we cannot. It is not edited, na. If it is
Yes,
just a
if you edit
created.
it, then it won't work.
Okay.
Okay. So second option, created and every time it's edited.
What does that mean?
Okay. Created and every time it's edited means once a record is created, if you edit it without meeting criteria, it will work.
Mm-hmm.
For example,
Okay.
what
So
is our
manually, if you go and edit it, it will work.
that's what manually if you change this one 6 years, then it will be work.
Okay.
Okay. And third one,
And
created,
created means just created means we cannot be edited manually, right?
yes, we cannot be edited.
Okay.
Second one, created and every time it's set. See, what is the criteria? If it is greater than 5 years, it should be matched. It should be field update should be happen. So, if it is 6 years, it will be work. It status will work as selected,
Okay,
but
it will automatically change then.
automatically it will come. But in case if you give three, if you edit as a three, it should not be come right, but it will work.
Okay.
I'll explain this again by one by one. Okay. First, we'll
Okay.
see this criteria. How we'll create the rule. Okay. So
Yeah.
I'm just going with the first one, created and field name. Here we need to check what are the field criteria. Experience. So here experience.
Experience.
Yes, experience in years and equal or greater than or equal. Okay, greater than or equal 5.
5.
And technology, where it is, technology, yes, technology equals to
Equals to.
SFDC I'm giving, and just click
Mhm.
on save and view. Okay, so here it is asking you to do it workflow rule, and here you can see in this page, as of now we have done only, you have created only workflow rule has created, but what is the action we have to do it, that we haven't decided as of now. Okay,
Okay.
so now just click on this, and click on new field update, or else just click on done. Okay, now rule has been created.
Mm.
Done. Rule has been created, but action we haven't decided. So for that, just click on edit again. Sorry, here you just identify 1 minute. Once you click on done, workflow actions. How many actions we can do it?
Actions
I
means
said
that
only four actions we can do it.
four actions. Yeah,
Okay, four
field
actions we
update,
can do it.
email alert.
But in workflow rule, once user entered, we can create two types of workflows. Like one is immediate action, and another one is time dependent action. Okay, but in this immediate action also we can do it for, and time dependent also we can do it for.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? So immediate action also we can make four types of actions: email alert, field update, outbound messages, and task update. We can do it in immediate workflow also we can do it. Time dependent also we can do it. So now we can see immediate workflow rule action. Okay. So just click on edit, and here just click on add workflow rule actions. Here you can see new task, new email alert, new field update, select existing action, and new outbound message. Now what is our criteria?
Field update.
Status field has to be updated as selected. So now just click on new field update. Yes. Once you give new field update, it is asking action name. Okay, so here status field, or else we can give name like field status. And here field to update, it is asking on which field we need it has to be work. On which field it has to work? Interview status.
Yeah. In,
Got it? And interview
yeah.
status, it is showing field type, data type is text, and re-evaluate workflow rules and after field change. This is also a future topic we'll discuss later. So
Okay.
just see here, specify new field value. If you click on null, it should be blank. But what is our criteria? It should be like selected has to come.
Selected. Yeah.
So just click on it, and here you can see the syntax of this formula. Enclose text and picklist value API names in double quotes. If it is text, you can do it like this: double colon unselected. Okay,
Okay.
so give double colon. Sorry, give selected and save. Okay, field update we have done. Just click on done. So as of now, any doubts? First, we have created workflow rule. Then we have created workflow rule action. Rule is different, action is different. Once you can make rule, then only you can create action on that particular rule.
Okay.
Got it? How it
Yeah.
works means, for example, if you go to any amusement park, okay, while you are entering into amusement park, they'll be giving one handband, right? They'll tight one band.
Yeah.
In that band, they'll mark it for this age. You can allow for these activities. For this age, you can allow these activities. They can give. Got it?
Yeah.
So if it is band is buffalo rule, what are the services they are giving? That will be like actions. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we can see how it works. Can I test either it will work or not?
Yes. Do we need to click on activate
Yeah,
or
yes,
it's
yes.
fine?
That's what I was expecting question from your side. So
Yeah.
if you create any record, it won't be work because we should activate it.
Okay.
Just click on activate, and now you can check for employee status. So just give refresh.
This topic is really interesting.
Okay. Employees list. Yes. So name. Can I have any employee name?
Pranjali.
Okay. Experience. I'm giving. Okay. I'm giving 6 years and technology. I can give Salesforce and employee ID. So now selected text has to come in this field. We can see either it will work or not. So just click on save. Got it?
Yeah, it's nice. And can we select one? Can we create one with the 4 years experience and SFDC?
Yeah, sure. 3 years and SFTC employee ID. Save. It is not coming
Mm.
because
And now, if we change over here, okay, if we edit here and do six, seven
okay,
years, whatever,
I'm giving 6 years now. Not coming
not coming because we have not chosen that the second
because
one
we gave instructions only by create when it is created.
when we
That time only it will
created.
work.
Now I got it.
Got it? Okay.
Yep.
So field update, you got the idea how we can create. Okay. So
Yes.
now you should guide me. Uh, what is email alert?
So email alert, as you mentioned, if new employee join, send him the welcome email.
Okay.
If we create any new employee in the system,
Yeah, absolutely. Whatever you said, that is correct. So, whatever we want to send information through mail, we can do it by automated uh, through workflow rule. Okay.
yeah.
For this action also, again, same thing we should follow.
Okay.
Same thing in the sense. What are they?
We have to.
Okay, you may get one doubt. So why can't we go with same criteria, and why can't we give one more action here with same criteria?
No, I didn't get you. What
Okay,
I.
okay. So here, what I said, in case if I have experience will be more than 5 years and technology is a Salesforce. Once it is done, field update has to be selected. This is for
Yeah.
our internal communication. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yes.
now my doubt is, so this person selected, right?
Huh.
Only myself I know because I got the data from HR and I updated, so I know this. But how this employee knows either he selected or not?
Oh, so we can create a new workflow rule. Uh, if it is selected, then the email should
Yes, yes.
goes.
1 minute, 1 minute. There you are with the same workflow rule. On same workflow rule, we can create one more action here
Okay.
with same criteria. So here,
Okay.
this is the criteria: experience and technology. And
Okay. Then we can add if it is selected, send the email.
okay, so now we'll do it for email.
Okay.
Okay, so email generally how we'll be getting it? We can create one notepad. Give me a minute. So now I want to see this template in email. Okay, got it, Pranjali? Pranjali, are you getting it what I'm asking?
Yes,
So
yes,
just
yes.
now I have created one email. One minute. See, welcome on board, and dear candidate, congratulations, you have been selected for the position of developer role in XYZ Solutions. All the best. Okay, so this one has to come through email. Okay, now we can see how it works. For that, just go to duplicate email. Setup, and before working on email alert, we should have template in our documents. Okay, now we can see how it works. So just go to setup, and here just
Right.
type email templates. You can see mass email users and classic email templates. Classic
What is
email,
the difference?
okay, classic email templates in the sense, not like it works only in classic, it works in lightning as well, no issues. Okay, so here we'll be saving our documents, our email templates in this. Okay, so
Okay.
just click on that. So these many email templates we have, but for us we need to have our own template. So click on new template. This is also one of the interview question. How many types of email templates we can create? So four types of email templates we can create. One is a text email in the
Mm-hmm.
sense which we are going to
Just
create now.
okay.
HTML letterhead, in the sense it will be uh, letterhead, they'll be created by their own, right? Companies, they'll be having letterheads.
Yeah.
Those things we can send. Custom, without using
So
classic
this
letterhead.
HTML, do we need to do like any, is this a developer work or?
No, no, that is not developer work. We'll be getting these templates by the organization itself. We'll just store it.
Okay. Okay.
Visual Force page, that is our Salesforce application module. We can learn in development part. But for you need not to create Visual Force page. They'll already create it and they'll give the template to you. That's it. You need to save that template. That's it.
Okay.
So now I'm going to click on text and just click on next. See here, it is asking a field, a folder name where we need to save. So don't touch all these things as of now. Just go with this thing. So we are saving this, not in. If you want to save it in personal email, we can save it. Currently, I'm giving unfilled public class email templates, and if you click on this, available for use, not only to you, it will be available for
Fine.
all
Yeah.
users. Okay, and email template name. I can give welcome email,
Select.
and it is asking same encoding. Don't give anything, just give it like that. Same subject, welcome on board, and email body, and just copy it, and I'm saving this. Got it? Because we have said we are creating text email. Got it? So all those texts I have saved here,
Yeah. Yeah.
and I'm just clicking on save. So here is the email template details, and we have made it as make it as available for use. And here you can see welcome template text message, and here attachment we can give. Not only text message, we can give attachment also. Attachment like we can send our image, I mean our company image, or we can send
Interactive.
any
Uh,
company details, etc., etc. But here I can attach same file. Yes, welcome email template. Attach file. Done. And it is showing 189 bytes. And
hmm.
in attachment, maximum 5 MB you can send it, not more than
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm done it. We have done it, and now he coming to workflow rule here. Just see field update is there. Now we want to create email alert with the same criteria. Okay, so just click on edit, and if you click on here, see new email alert.
New ML alert. Yeah.
Just click on email alert and description, welcome email, unique name also same, and here you can see email template it is asking. Okay, so if we don't have email template, it's not possible to show it to you by practical. I need to show it in some other mail. So now here, can we get our email? See here, welcome email, it is getting it. So just click on it, and here it is asking recipient type, to whom we need to share this.
Okay.
So we can share this to users, and here this mail importance is recipient somebody has to be there, which user it is, and to whom we need to share everything. So
But we are creating criteria here, right? If that person is selected, then only this mail goes to that person, right? Then what is the recipient? I didn't get this.
I'm sorry.
So here we are creating a rule, criteria.
Yes,
Like if that person is selected, that mail goes to that person only, right?
correct.
Then what is available recipients? I didn't get this one.
1 minute, I'm not getting what you are asking exactly, so I'll show you 1 second from first. See now we have done workflow rule. Till here you
Yeah.
understand, right? So what is the
Yes.
criteria?
The criteria is if the status is selected, that then person get that
Oh
email.
no, no, not that is the criteria. You are missing this. So criteria is this one. Here you don't look into about the field type,
Okay.
field status. Don't look into the field status. We are just looking about email. Okay. So for email also, what is the criteria? Experience and technology.
Okay.
Okay. So now just click on it. Okay, now I got your answer. So you are thinking that whichever we are selecting here, those people only will be they'll be getting email. That's what you're saying,
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Yes.
okay. So not only those people here, we have additional information here. There is a BCC option, so CC option in workflow.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so welcome email and template here. So what? So generally, Buffalo rule it is an automated rule, right? Automated rule only within the organization. Generally, so once if I created any record, that record has to be informed to my manager also, right? So for example, here this person has selected, right? But I need to inform to my immediate supervisor also, right? How many people has selected. So that is the reason we are creating this email. This is for saving purpose. Selected. and email alert for our communication. Got it? So here I'm sharing email field, and here just once you click on email field, just click on this. It will be coming in selected recipients. Got it now?
Yes, yes.
So here that while you are asking that time, I haven't selected till this. I selected just users to explain you only. That's it. So
Okay.
for, now we are going to send email to sorry, give me a minute. Whichever you're selecting field here, that thing will be displayed here. So whichever you are giving the email in this field, for them they'll be getting the email alert. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
And not only this email, we can add five more emails for CC, carbon copy of that email. Can I have
Hmm.
your email?
It's Pranjali
Oh,
DG.
okay, 1 minute. Instead of your ID, I can give my email.
Okay.
And from email address, current user's email address. Or else you can create a default workflow user's email address. So, but currently I'm using only this because I'm user, right? So I'm giving this and just click on save and click on done. Got it? So
Yeah.
we have done two actions. One is field update and another one is email alert. Now we can see either it will be work or not. So 74, right? 74. I have deleted this record and I'm creating new one. So, Pranjali, 6 years, Salesforce technology. And can I have your email ID?
It's Pranjali
Can you spell it? Pranjali
JALI DG D for Delhi, G for Goa at
DG
gmail.com.
at gmail.com.
Gmail.
Okay, employee ID. Okay, so now we are waiting for two actions. One is this interview status has to be showing as selected, and
Selected.
you should get email alert.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm clicking on save.
Can I check my email?
Okay, please check.
Oh, I am not able to open my email.
Wait for some time, madam. It has,
Okay, got it.
it has to travel
Yeah, I
from
received.
India, right? Okay.
Yeah, I
So
received
even
email.
you can see my name also. See, I got
Yes,
email
welcome on
and
board.
welcome on board,
Yeah,
and I
yeah, I
got
got.
template also.
Yep.
Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
And here there is a problem. Can you tell me what is the problem?
Problem.
Yes. By seeing this email, I'm
Email
not.
address.
Yes.
Yeah,
See, for example, now you are the employee and you got the offer. You got selected.
yeah.
Once
But
you
the
got
email
the,
address.
that's what. Once you got the mail, you can understand that you got selected. But here, after seeing this email, how may I know who has selected for this role? See, it is showing welcome on board, dear candidate. Congratulations, you have been selected the position of developer role. Now tell me who has selected, either Raman selected or Pranjali selected.
No, I can't see that. You can.
Not getting you, Pranjali.
Sorry, sorry. I no. It is not mentioned over there. No, it just
Yes,
mentioned you can.
this is a automated email template. So for
Mm-hmm.
everyone, it is getting the same. But in case if client is asking, I need personalized email. So person
Mm-hmm.
who has selected, mail has to share to them with their name, or with on their name he is expecting it.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Is it possible to do that?
It is possible. It
Yes,
should
it
possible.
will be possible. So for that again we need to create one more email template.
Okay.
Okay, can we see that?
Mm,
Can we do it, or I mean, can I continue, or can we do it tomorrow?
yeah, we can do tomorrow because no, the screen is very small.
Okay,
So every time I have to, because I am watching on my mobile, no?
okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll share this mail content to you, and video also I'll share it. You can try to
Yeah.
create a few fields. But one thing I'll tell you, if you want to work on workflow rules or approval process, you need to
I need
have
a practice.
not only practice. You should have more objects, more fields, and more users. So then
Okay.
only it will be happen. So without having
Okay.
object, without having fields, how will you work on if you don't know email of employee, if you don't have interview status fields, it won't work, right? Again
Mm-hmm.
you'll have to create.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
just think, once you decide to practicing on workflow rule, you should create objects and
More.
fields based on that scenarios.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Yes.
So coming classes, it will be more interested, same like workflow rules only, but
Okay.
little bit difficult. If you understand the logic, then it will be easy. If you don't
Okay.
understand the logics, that will be very tough.
Mm. Got it.
Okay, and
Yeah.
same way we'll
Yeah.
be having approval process and process builder flows. If you know all these modules, that's it. You can play like anything in admin.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
and any doubts, Pranjali, as of now?
No.
Yeah, okay. So can we wind up for the day?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
okay.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Bye, Pranjali.